In this video, we're going to look at how you can add additional supports to your students by turning on a feature called speech to text. So, as you can see, I have the instructor board on the left-hand side and I have a student board on the right-hand side. So the first thing that the teacher is going to need to do in order for the students to be able to use speech to text, the teacher is going to need to turn this feature on. So up at the top control panel, you'll see the settings or the gear. You're going to click there, and the teacher is going to scroll down and they're going to find where it says Enable Speech to Text. They're going to turn that on and say Save. Now I'm over here on my student board and I'm going to double click so I can get a text box. You'll notice that I have this that has appeared at the top. The student will need to enable the microphone, so they will get a little box that pops up and they'll need to say allow the microphone in order to use this. So now if the student is ready, they can click on, and what's cool is they can also do some different, change the language. But let's look at this. I'm going to click on the little microphone. So see here, it's asking me to allow the microphone. I'm going to say allow. So now I'm going to click on the microphone. The dog ran down the street. Now I can close this out and I can quickly get in here and edit this text if I don't need this right here. Now the student can add their capitals, they can add their punctuation, and the things that they need for their sentence. So this feature can be used for our students that need additional supports, such as our dyslexic students, our youngest learners who are not quite ready to start typing yet, our SPED students, 504, our EL students, lots of different ways that a teacher can use this in the classroom to give our students support.